You gonna say hi, Dada? Yeah? Say hi. Hi, Dada.
Dada.
Yeah. I'm not feeling so good this morning. Can you say I love you? You love your Dada?
What?
Yeah, that was a bird. Yeah.
Ow.
Do you love your Dada? Wait, that's this. Do you love your Dada? Do you love your Dada? Kayla, do you love your Dada? You want to give Dada a kiss? Yeah? Say hi, Dada. Do you love your Dada?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you love your Dada? Yeah, eh? You want to say Happy Father's Day, Dada? Okay. Good girl. Want to give him a kiss? Kiss. Give a kiss. Good girl. Good girl. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Yeah, that's Kayla. But we're going to send this to Dada. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you love your Dada? Yeah? Okay. Say, I'll see you later, Dada. Bye-bye. No? Cuckoo. Yeah, that's Kayla. Where'd she go? There she is. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Dada.